Hey everyone, I'm Erica for those who don't know me, and today I'm going to show you how to make hard-boiled eggs in your Instant Pot. This video is for anyone who wants to learn how to make hard-boiled eggs in the Instant Pot, but I've specifically made it for beginners. So this assumes that you don't really know anything about the Instant Pot, that you've never used it before. I'm going to show you how to, from start to finish, make boiled eggs in your Instant Pot. I thought this would be a great first recipe for people to try, especially people who are scared to use their Instant Pots or aren't quite sure the ins and outs. I have a lot of friends who've been asking me for help with their Instant Pots and for videos and for classes. So I figured this was a great first step in getting familiar with your Instant Pot. For this recipe, all you will need is eggs, however many you would like to do. I'm going to do about 8. And then you need your Instant Pot. You will need the trivet that goes inside of your Instant Pot and 1 cup of water and then an ice bath. So there's really not very many ingredients here. The Instant Pot that I use is the 8-quart Instant Pot. I will put a link down below. I actually have 2 different Instant Pots. I have the Duo and the Luxe, both in the 8-quart. I'll talk more about those probably in a later video, but those are the ones that I'm going to be using for this recipe. I will be using the Duo, but I also show you how to at least start it on the Luxe model as well. But any Instant Pot will do. It doesn't matter what size, and it doesn't matter what model of Instant Pot you have either. It will work. Please let me know if you like this video, and let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is put the trivet into the Instant Pot. This trivet would have came with your Instant Pot, and this just kind of helps keep the eggs off of the bottom. And then you're going to add 1 cup of water. And then you're going to put your eggs on top of the trivet. And I did, I believe, 8 eggs here. So you just want to put those on top of the trivet. That's what they look like. They're ready to go. Now we're going to put the lid on, shut it. You will hear a little noise, music that will play, and then you want to make sure that you turn your valve to the sealing position, which on this model, the Duo is to the back. So you just push it towards the back. Then you're going to press pressure cook if you have the Duo model, which is what's shown here, and then you either want to go up or down until you get to 5 minutes. This also shows the Luxe model, and instead of pressure cook, you just press manual and then get up or down to your 5 minutes. So then your Instant Pot is going to start steaming a little bit after it's started for a while. This means that it's building pressure. There's nothing wrong. This is supposed to happen. So it's going to do this for a while, and you'll see that little red valve indicator. It will start to bounce up and down, and that's perfectly normal. Whenever it pops up all the way, that's when you know it's done reaching pressure. So it takes a while, and as you can see, you think it's going to come up and then it doesn't. This is totally normal, and it does take a while to get to full pressure. I have a lot of people ask me, they'll call me and they'll say it's steaming at the top. Totally normal. And just so you know, your countdown will not start until this has reached at full pressure. So you can see it's getting a little more anxious. And there, it just popped up. So now the timer will start here shortly after. It's not immediate, but it's pretty soon after. So see, it says on, and you saw the indicator just came on, and then it will start at 5 minutes and then start counting down from 5. So it got to the 5 minutes and then it counted down from 5. I didn't show you that part. So now it's at 0, and now it starts counting up. And now we want to let this set for 5 more minutes. So we want to manually release the pressure for 5 minutes, and then we will do our own quick release after that. So this is counting up to 5, and I have it sped up just a bit. In the meantime, this is a good time to get your water bath started. So all I like to do is get a bowl of water and put ice in it, and then this is what you're going to put the eggs in when they're done. You can see I got my ice bath ready, and then you'll just put your eggs in after that for 5 minutes. But let's let this count up. I have it sped up a bit. So when I was filming this voiceover, I noticed that my Instant Pot is a little dirty, which was kind of embarrassing, and it gave me an idea to do a video on how to clean your Instant Pot. I don't know if that's something that you guys would be interested in, but if anyone is interested in that, let me know in the comments below, and I can definitely do a video on a good way to clean your Instant Pot. So as you can see, we're about to the 5 minutes now. When this 5 minutes is up, we want to go ahead and release the rest of the pressure. So I'm going to move up to the top of the Instant Pot. You can see the dirt there. And release the pressure. And be careful because there is hot steam that will be coming out. If you don't want to use your fingers, you can use like a wooden spoon, or just get something to protect your hands. You don't want to get burned. And then when the red button falls down, which you'll see in a minute, that means that the pressure has been fully released. Do not attempt to open the pot until that red button has fallen down. So I'm just waiting, and there you see it just pop down, which means that the Instant Pot is now safe to open up. So you're just going to open, and the eggs are pretty much done. I'm just going to put them in the ice bath for 5 minutes. And some people call this the 5-5-5 method. It's 5 minutes of cooking under high pressure, 5 minutes of natural release, and then 5 minutes in the ice bath. So that's kind of an easy way to remember. Make sure you press the cancel to turn it off when you're done, and then obviously unplug it. And after your 5 minutes is up, you will be ready to start peeling away at your eggs. I seriously hate peeling eggs. It's like almost the same as skinning potatoes. I hate doing that too. But that's pretty much it, guys. See what they look like. So pretty. Let me know what you guys thought of this video, and if you have any questions, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. That way you can get notified when I post future videos. My goal is going to be to post at least once a week. And also, I would love to hear what you guys want to see from me. I'm doing this for you. So if you have any specific recipes that you want me to try or to teach you guys, please leave those in the comments below. Thanks and have a good day.